I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Ew, 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 ew. Okay. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Diana. Yes. How can I say this? I left YouTube. I legitimately went head in first and started my YouTube channel like a couple months, well, it was last year. Yeah, I started last year, and I got so overwhelmed and so busy with school that I completely just stopped making videos. Just want to thank everybody who has reached out to me and asked me where I have been. I haven't had the time to explain because I've been like crazy busy, but I've had like friends and family like begging me to make more videos and explain more things because they love watching me, and that kind of is what drove me to like continue and to jump back into it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Diana. I am a self-taught MUA. I love makeup. I'm just obsessed with it. My channel has all been about makeup and how to do things and what I purchased and how I like it and stuff like that. But honestly, if you guys want to know more about me or more about my life, just let me know. Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to share with you guys, especially if you're like interested in being a teacher one day, or if you're in a teaching program somewhere in the United States. I will definitely share my experiences, my ups and my downs and my stress level and how I managed to get everything done. But as of right now, I'm just going to be talking about makeup, and one of the makeup products that I'm going to be talking about is the Dominique Latte palette. She just recently came out with her palette, I believe like a few months ago. I did get my hands on it. I've used it about like 3 or 4 times now, and I'm going to be talking to you guys about what I think about it. Her personally, I love her. She's awesome. She has inspired me to do YouTube. She is super beautiful, super fun, and I like the fact that she always engages with her audience and her followers and her subscribers. She's always liking, retweeting, commenting, anything like that. She just is always there to let her followers know that she does care and that she will take the time out and that she appreciates us always watching her and being one of her fans. So big ups to Dominique. Love you, girl. Moving on. I'm going to start off by showing you guys the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. This is what the package looks like. Love it. Rose gold. Beautiful. Don't pay attention to my nails because obviously I don't even have time to do my nails anymore. Anyways, this is a palette. When you slip it out, that's the slip cover. This is what the palette looks like. Bam. Beautiful, beautiful. It's like a white and rose gold color. I love it. And then when you open the palette, there is a beautiful mirror, as you can see. And it has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 huge, when I mean huge, eyeshadows. I didn't even think that they were gonna be that big. Beautiful. Let's see. From the packaging, I have to be honest, I do not like that it's white because I don't know if you guys can tell, I had to wipe this down already. It wasn't that easy to wipe down, like I had to take a makeup wipe and like force clean it. However, white and rose gold looks beautiful together. I love the concept, I love the idea. I love the fact that it has a mirror because let's be honest, when you're doing your makeup on the go, on the rush, you want a mirror to look, you know, to be like, okay, to make sure everything's okay. And another thing that I really love about this palette, sorry, it's a little dirty. As you can see, I'm using it. Another thing that I really love is the size of the pans. Like, this is huge. Like, I've never seen, I don't have any eyeshadow palettes that the pan size is this big. And these 3 colors down here are so, not these 2, sorry. Getting used to this camera thing. These 3 like pearly, shimmery colors are insane. They're crazy pigmented. So I'm going to show you guys what it actually looks like on the eyes. I only have used this maybe, how many times have I done my makeup? Like 3 or 4 times, maybe 4 or 5, I don't know. But I have to say that it's my favorite palette to use so far. My eyes are already primed with some Tape Shape, and I'm gonna start by going in with which color am I gonna use? I'm gonna start with the caramel color, which is that one right there, okay? So I'm gonna start by putting that all over my lid. I'm using, what am I using? I'm using actually a Wet n Wild Holiday Collection brush. It's like this the silver brush set. This brush set I actually got for 15 bucks, and it came with a bunch of brushes, and they're awesome. And they look exactly like the Kylie Jenner brush sets that she tried to charge like $1 million for. Literally looks exactly like them. And I have to tell you, so worth it. Like, I'm all about budget. I am not a filthy rich girl, and when I find a deal, I go for it. So right off the bat with these shadows, super creamy, super easy to put on. I haven't seen any fallout on it. I haven't made any like crazy looks with it yet, but definitely barely to none. I don't even know what I'm saying, but like basically what I'm trying to say is that yeah, there's no fallout. I can leave the house with just one layer. I don't really have to go crazy with this. So then I'm gonna take my MAC 217 brush. I'm gonna take the color Mocha, and I'm gonna go in the inner corners, and I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna blend that in. The Mocha is so strong and pigmented, you don't have to use a lot to get like payoff on your lid. Ooh. I just love the colors of this palette too. Like right now I'm not even dipping back in to do the other eye yet. Oh wow. So honestly, it's definitely worth it to get this palette. I'm trying to remember how much I paid for it. What was it, 40 bucks? 40 bucks? I have to actually check. I will tell you guys as soon as I find out. Actually, you know what? I have my phone. So let's go on her website. I'm gonna go on the Dominique Cosmetics. Okay, so the Latte palette is $42, and the description includes 5 warm tone neutral shades. The Latte palette is designed to work for all skin tone, eye colors, and makeup artistry skills. The palette features 10 color shadows with 5 warm tones, neutrals, 2 fun pops of color, and 3 foils for any day to night look, which is absolutely true. I think that $42 is definitely worth it with this palette because the pan sizes are so big. I've spent a lot more on palettes that have very small pan sizes, and I have to, girl, I love this palette. I love it. I'm gonna take my MAC 228 brush, and I'm going to line my lower waterline with Mocha again. These are so easy to use. Like, if you're just starting with makeup, like if you're not even a professional, if you just want to play around with it, I would suggest this palette, honestly. I'm going to take my Real Techniques shading brush. I'm going to go into this color right here. Ooh, not the blue. No, we're not doing blue today. We're gonna do this color right here. It's the Creme Brulee, and this one's very, very pretty. I'm gonna put this on my inner lid. Girl. Do you see that? Beautiful. Just gonna pat that in there. So pretty. I really like, this is gonna be like every girl's favorite palette. Beautiful. Oop, oop. Do it on this side too. Take that on the inner corner. Bam, bam. And wow. This like really just like brightens up your like eyes extremely. Like, look at that. Wow. I love this. I love this palette. You know, like, I have to be honest, like, I don't appreciate my makeup unless I actually videotape it and actually, like, look at it, because, like, every time I do my makeup, I end up, like, rushing or, like, doing it real quick. And looking at this, looking at, like, the monitor and seeing how pigmented these shadows are, it's like, girl, beautiful. So I'm just gonna pack that in a little more. And to be like a little bit like dramatic, I'm gonna take the 217 brush, right? Oh no, the 228 MAC brush, go back into creme brulee and pop that right here. In this inner corner, bam, bam. Woo, girl. She did it. Wow. Okay. And now I'm going to take, let's see. I'm going to take the Morphe lip liner in the color Bar. And I'm actually going to go on my waterline with it. That's what I really like about these Morphe lip liners, is that you can use them for like everything. Not just your lips, you can use them for your waterline and everything. Bam. So like this palette is inspired by her obsession with coffee, which I don't really relate to because I don't drink coffee unless it's absolutely necessary. But the idea is so, so cute. I love it. And my eyes look, they look fierce. They look fierce, yep. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I'm using the They Are Real mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. I am not the type of girl to use false like eyelashes because, like I said, my eyes tear a lot and they usually lift at the corners very quickly for me. But I do put it on my clients when I do their makeup and they like it. Bam, bam. Look at the difference. Do you see the difference? It's there. We saw Kristen Dominique do this on her channel. She took this color here, Vanilla Cream, and she kind of like powdered it underneath her eyes to like brighten up her eyes. And I'm gonna try it. I've never done it before, but let's see. I don't know what this brush is. I got it for Christmas, so I'm gonna take this brush, right? I'm taking Vanilla Cream. I'm just gonna put it, tap it lightly under my under eyes. Like that. And I actually like this. It does brighten up the eye a lot. Okay. And that's why I love following these people on YouTube. They be giving you the best ideas. Yes. And that's another thing. She made these pans so big because she wanted people to use her colors for more than just eyeshadow. And I think that that is so creative and necessary. So yeah, that looks really good. And then she even said that you can use like colors for like highlight. And I'm trying to figure out like which one I would use. So these are the 3 colors that are like shimmery. Beautiful. I'll swatch them for you guys so you can see. Let's see. That's what they look like. Really pigmented, like insane. Insane. I can't wait to use the rest of the colors because I haven't used them all. Let's see. I'm gonna use Macchiato. And she wasn't lying. You can use this as a highlighter for sure. And tap this, tap, tap, tap. take my beauty blender. I'm gonna like melt it in there with my tears because that is what I have to do. My tears are just, the struggle is real. And I'm very excited because she's coming out with another palette very soon. It's called the Lemonade palette. So I can't wait to actually get my hands on that. I might have to ask for it as a graduation gift because the struggle is real. So I just used Macchiato as a highlighter. I don't know if you guys can see it. Definitely can use it as a highlighter, which I love. Because now this palette, literally, I can use it as a brightener, an eyeshadow, a freaking, a highlighter. I don't have to dip into anything else. That is so clever. Beautiful. Okay, and let's see, I'm gonna top it off. What lip color should I do? Let's use Nikki's Nude. Let's see, too pink? Actually, no, I like this. Let's wrap it up with the Dominique Latte palette. It's a must-have. It's beautiful. It's worth every penny, dollar, dime, cent that you have. Definitely save up for it. It's only $42. You can get it on her website. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like, subscribe, share. Whatever you feel like doing, do it to this video. As long as it's something nice. Because I'm a nice person and I like nice things.